for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hello guys.
So guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. Today is actually Tristan's birthday. Today is the 9th of April, Tuesday. We already had a big celebration for him. So since they're actually on spring break, we're not going to be doing anything spectacular because we already have a big celebration. So he requested to come to the park today. So we're actually here at the park. We literally just reached. I don't know if you can see behind us. So I just wanted to start the vlog now and we just go walking. So if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like, share, and comment under this video. Alright?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go walk over this way. No people over here, man. Come over here, sit down.
A lot of people over there, you said? I think we're gonna get mixed up over there, right?
Come on to the road.
You think you're gonna get mixed up?
Watch your dog.
Looking at me.
I'm done. Alright, so the first thing Tristan want to do is to play basketball. Make one basket. Sorry. Make one basket.
About one basket. One basket. Right here, there's balls. So I want chicken.
You should have write your name for your ball, you know. Go on. That's even one, Tristan. Okay, what do you want to do?
I have a plate of water.
Oh, I forgot the bag with the stuff. Alright guys, so I left the bag with the snacks, the most important thing. And I almost couldn't come out of the place a while ago. So I left them to just play a little bit. So I'm just gonna come and grab the bag real quick. Guys, today is really nice. You have, it's actually like, it's actually, I don't know why this is saying 2 minutes. I'm gonna have 2 minutes left for the memory card. I don't understand. Did I not put a memory card in? Guys, this is giving me a countdown. I don't know. I know I deleted everything from the memory card, so it should not be giving me an issue with the memory card at all. I don't know what this 2 minutes mean. I don't know what that means. But yeah, I'm just here to grab the bag real quick. And let's go back to the kids. Everything is just falling from me. Jesus, please. Alright, let's go. Your sweatshirt.
Oh, Jackson? Yeah, I do with that.
Can you wait a second?
No, you're good.
Clap it out.
So remember, Tristan, I'm right here, so I don't go all over the place. Alright, so guys, we left them and go play. It's a lot of people here today. I have no discount now.
You ran down to come get you, and you got down and you ran. He's over by that little rock wall. Jamaican, are you hot? You're pretty cool outfit, mate. Johnny, put your hair up and hold it. Now put your hair up.
Let's see if we can actually find them. Let's see if we can find them. That's running on.
It's gonna be a lot right in front of you. Good job.
Oh, then gone. Let's start again. Let's start again. Come on, Tristan. Careful, Tevi. Tristan. So, guys, my memory card is telling me that it's full, and I know I deleted everything from off of it. So I'm using my phone right now. Yes, baby? Tristan, yeah? Huh? Sure. Tristan, come on. We'll go over this now. Hey, come on. It's a line. The line, you have to wait. I'm like forever in the book and I want here. Come now.
Be careful.
Sure.
Do you just want to go somewhere else? Yeah. Okay, fine. Sophia, go.
Where the fuck are you going? Oh. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hypnotizing.
I'll go somewhere else.
Wait, you gotta wait on her. Hold on, I'm missing those. Where's this? Just saying, do you go with the sister? Ooh, careful!
No, Tristan! I'm trying to play something.
Just under this one. Oh, wait, hold on. I thought it was something dropping.
Mommy, look!
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Dad, you can do it now. Hey, Dad, you can do it now.
Mind your finger. Mind your finger, mind your finger.
Ooh, it's good.
You guys wanna go sit there and take a picture of her? No, at the same time. Seriously? I don't remember which part I sit down? Hmm? No? Once I come out of the gazebo kind of last year, I'm gonna sit down. And you think you guys should be fine?
No.
Seven. I'm gonna go and sit down and figure out this memory card, okay? Okay? I'm gonna sit down and figure out this memory card. So you guys okay by yourself?
Yeah.
Just be careful.
I'm going back over here. Why?
Careful. Alright, Skilacci Tevi. You comparing yourself to a 5-year-old, seriously? You can't do it's too Alright, there you go, Tevi. Careful. Careful, Tristan, wait.
Wait. Now you're buffing me up.
Hold on, Tevi, hold on.
I still do that game.
Savannah, sit down.
I wanna do it with you.
No, you're gonna drop. What are you doing?
Can I stop to that?
Stop, Savannah.
I'm gonna come with you.
No, you can't be twirling. I can't be. From your brother, okay? Careful, careful.
Ow.
Come on, Tristan. Come, the baby's behind you. Be careful. Seven. Savannah. Hey, I want you to keep in mind that your brother is here, okay? Don't be running off unless you let him know where you're going. Come on. Come here, you know it's so nasty. Where you playing? I think it's not twinkling. Where you want to go?
Over there to Wesley.
Go on. She's gone out. There's a jump around this side. I want to drink some water. No more water? Alright, my son come back. Guys, the sun is setting. I can't believe the memory card full and I cleared it off. Nothing I'm gonna do wrong. So I want to figure it out. But then I have already captured some stuff on it. So I don't want to do anything and then delete that caption or that clip. So I don't know.
Did you hear him?
What? Okay.
Miss Jackson, did you hear it?
So guys, as I said before, look how we look, dog. Lighting not going on good for us. I look black, right?
Your birds.
Guys, it is sunny today. You hear me complain about winter?
It's hot.
It is hot.
How many gonna get?
So-
I want to get home because it's really hot.
It's really hot.
Yeah.
So we left the park. The park is packed. Tristan was over it. Savannah still wanted to stay a little bit, but me tell him so they might come at Dollar Tree, come grab some stuff.
But
Dollar
we can
Tree
get
is-
everything we want.
Yeah. So we're here now. We're gonna go in Dollar Tree shortly. Today's gonna be an extremely short video, but it is what it is. And I need to go figure out what's going on with the memory card. So yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so we actually came back home. I totally forgot that I needed to record in Dollar Tree, to be honest. We didn't really get a lot of stuff. The kids got some little toys. Tristan got a PlayStation gift card. And I got me some, what do you call it? The tissue, the box them. Yeah. I'm just so tired. The sun really beat me out. So I had to jump on a Zoom meeting. I just came off. So I was rushing to get that done. I totally forgot to show you what was going on in Dollar Tree. And the stuff them downstairs. As you can see, I'm in my bed. I'm lying down. And I just need to take 5 minutes because we need to go cook. Savannah knock out on her way coming back home. And yeah, I think this is gonna be it for the video. I'm sorry. But anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And until later, bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say